Vanakkam. It is a South Indian style of greeting. Take a hot coffee because I'm going to take you all to a spicy, yummy, tummy right. Let's go. Introduction. Blog. A blog is a discussion of particular information site published on the World Wide Web and which consists of organized entries mostly displayed in reverse chronological order, which in sense the most recent work experience appears first and the oldest appears last. My blog is all about South Indian restaurants in Scotland. Market background is that the research on South Indian restaurant and recipes. South Indian cuisine. South India is where it is a combination of four states, namely Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. The similarities among them are the rice, which is the base thing that are being used in all four states, and differences are the taste. Mostly Kerala and Karnataka do not use that much spice, whereas Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh use spicy foods. In my blog, I have mentioned about the restaurant specialities and where it is located and the website links for the people to easily find the particular restaurant in their area. You can now see the colorful, stunning blog, South Indian Aroma, some subheadings like who. You can look a glance of whatever posts I have made about myself, South India Aroma, the four states, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Restaurant links. I have mentioned about the links for the particular restaurants you are searching for, recipes, some videos and images of particular dishes, contact. The contact numbers are given. Justification. I chose this topic because since I'm from South India, I'm very much fond of South Indian dishes. Missingness of those yummy tastes, and also I could not find any herbs or spice if at all I want to cook. Restaurants or also was not nearby and could not find easily because I was entirely new here. I also have provided some recipes for the learners like me because I'm not good in cooking. Primary activities. In my primary activities are those posts about various restaurants which are in and around Scotland, sharing videos of favorite recipes, linking it with social media like Facebook and Twitter, also linking it with Google Analytics for the visitors flow, determining the target or which are my customers who are looking for Indian restaurants, who are new to Scotland and who stays here. This is a view of my Facebook page. Surprisingly, it has reached 58 likes, and on the side you can see the post reach for this week, which is 258, and the post engagement is that people looks for each post, which is 24. This is my Twitter page in which it shows 29 tweets, followers 2, 28 photos and videos that are being tweeted. SEO strategies. Search engine optimization. It is the process of getting traffic from the free, organic, editorial or natural search results on each search engine. Selecting the most popular keywords, unique and relevant posts which nobody has posted or made website regarding South Indian food. Content strategy, that is providing links that are relevant to my website. Registering with high rank website is linking my site with similar other websites. Content schedule is I have made quiet plannings like every afternoon to post about new dish or the dish that I have made that afternoon so that you can soon see it in my website. Social media strategy. I have posted relevant content in Facebook and Twitter, shared relevant videos of recipes and images in social media page. I have also linked my blog URL in my social media page. I have asked my friend to share, like, follow my page in such a way like a social media campaign. I'm also active in replying to their comments. Future PPC is pay per click, a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Search engine advertising is one of the most popular forms of PPC. In future, I will use AdWords to boost my website, social networking sites to make a campaign in Facebook and Twitter. Affiliated marketing, maybe in future I will link with other websites who have more recipes, or maybe I can open a restaurant and start my own campaign. Next comes the content matching. It's like linking my videos and images with similar other sites. Campaign creation on Facebook is like boosting my page in future so that it will be a public view, and ask my friends to share my page so that their friends can also view my social media page. Moving to affiliate marketing activities, in future I would like to link it with other popular websites like email marketing, which is a direct marketing with a commercial message to a group of people using emails. Google Analytics. In Google Analytics, we can check the bounce rate, which is the percentage of single page visitors, the tracks and report of website traffic, which is the amount of data sent and received by visitors to a website, number of sessions, that is group of interactions that take place in website within a time frame, total number of usages, total page views, which explains who are new and who are all returning. The total duration of time the visitors stay in each session is session duration. Social media feedback is that I'm happy to receive so many likes, shares, sharing of posts, comments about recipes, and also sweet compliments. Data analysis, which is the audience overview. Sorry. Data analysis, the audience overview. We can see the total sessions, which is a group of interactions that take place in website within a given time frame. In my case, it has reached up to 24. Then comes the number of users, is how many people have viewed my account, which is 2. And page views by visitors, like which all page they have seen, that is 33. Average session duration, where the visitors stay at each session, and the bounce rate, which is the percentage of single page visits or web sessions. In simple words, it is the number of visits in which a person leaves the website from the landing page without browsing further. In my case, the bounce rate is 87.50%, which is quite high. In future, I will try to upload some more relevant posts. The pie chart clearly shows how many new visitors, people who are visiting for the first time, and return visitors, people who are all coming again to look a glance. In my case, the returning visitors are high, 91.57%, and the new visitors is 8.3%. That's good. Geographical location is that revealing from which country and which all location or place the visitors are from. It seems visitors are high from Russia and United Kingdom. Russia ranks the highest, which ranks for 10. United Kingdom ranks the second for 7. France for 2. Germany 1. Spain 1. Japan 1. Lithuania 1. And United States for as well as 1. Hopefully, if I elaborate, the visitors rate will be increased. Acquisition overview are of three types, namely referral, who are the third parties; social, the social media pages like Facebook, Twitter, etc.; organic search, that are without any sources. In my case, the referral ranks the highest for 18, social for 5, organic search for 1. Then comes the behavior overview, in which it shows the total page view by visitors, which is 33, and the average time they stay in each page, and the bounce rate on the bounce rate for 87.50%, and the exit percentage for 72.73%. Real-time overview is that the finding the visitors who are using and active at present, viewing the page, and also finding from where and by which source they are looking. At present, there was no views, but hopefully in future there will be some visitors. Conclusion. As a conclusion, there are more food recipes which are easily available for new learners, and also tips about restaurants and reviews about restaurants. The future development will be focusing on other various Indian recipes, as there are lots and wide range of Indian dishes are available. Sometimes in future, I may make my own video with God's grace, hope should come well, and also the chat session, because we girls like to chat a lot. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity and for sparing your precious time for this video.